Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about stretches. I'm sure a lot of you know how to stretch, but do you really understand how to stretch, how to activate your scapula and how to treat your spine with respect while you're stretching? So today we're going to check out a few exercises and few drills to properly stretch without ruining your spine. So the first drill that we're going to check out over here is the most simple forward fold, which is the Paschimottanasana. Now, three main things that you need to focus in Paschimottanasana. Number one is dorsiflexion of your toes, right? Remember, don't point your toes in front, point your toes towards you. Very important every time you stretch forward. Point your toes towards you. Dorsiflex your ankles and toes towards you. Number two, you're going to squeeze your scapula. Pull your shoulders back when you stretch. Always remember, pull your shoulders back when you stretch. And number three, when you stretch, don't look down. Look in front, squeeze your scapula. Look up and stretch. Remember to keep your knees straight. Your legs should not be bending at your knees. Squeeze your scapula, toes pointing towards you, and look up as much as you can when you're stretching. The next stretch that we're going to look at is the Upavishta Konasana. So once more, just like the Paschimottanasana, in Upavishta Konasana, always remember dorsiflexion of your feet, right? Curl your toes inwards towards you. It's a very good marker. Curl your toes inwards towards you. Keep your knees straight. Squeeze your scapula. Look up. Look up, and as you stretch forward, move with your spine. Try to move. Even if you don't move too much, it's totally fine, but try not to hunch your back. It will completely ruin your posture. Look up, squeeze your scapula and stretch with your whole spine. So even this stretch, you're going to feel it on your hamstring, you're going to feel it a little bit on your hips, but not on your spine. You want to keep your spine completely out of the whole equation. Squeeze your scapula and that's all about it. Look up and stretch forward. Hi everyone, so the next drill that we're going to check out is a very underrated stretch. This one is called the Baddha Konasana, and it's something to do with your hips more than anything else, right? So bring your feet together, place the blades of your feet together on the floor of your mat, right? Now try to get your knees as close to the floor as possible, and now, very important, squeeze your scapula. Feel your spine straighten, squeeze your scapula, look up, and when you stretch, you're going to move with your whole spine. So what you don't want to see here is you don't want to see you hunch and try to reach the floor. We're not looking to reach the floor. What we're looking to do is we're looking to squeeze the scapula and keep the spine in a slight C curve, a very slight C curve. So you're going to look up and squeeze. You should feel the hip squeeze and not your spine squeeze down. Look up and stretch forward. You should feel the stretch only on your hips. So as always, the best for the last, my most favorite asana, the Malasana. One of the most foundational, most, like basic, right? The most basic asana where literally everything grows from here. This activates your Muladhara chakra, and everything that you grow in yoga starts from this particular asana, this Malasana. So how do you stretch in a Malasana? Okay, fine, you've got your heels to the floor, you're sitting in a squat. How do you stretch from here? So once more, in the spirit of all the drills that we did today, squeeze your scapula, pull your shoulders back, right? Once you pull your shoulders back, look up. And now stretch forward as much as you can without hunching your back. What you don't want to do is you don't want to hunch your back. We are not looking to reach the floor. What we are looking to do is activate the spine. Squeeze your scapula, look up and stretch forward. It does not matter if you don't reach the floor. Just stretch forward and keep your spine activated.